Hey foodies, today we're at Umm Banh Mi Cafe in Da Nang, Vietnam to try some iconic Vietnamese flavors from their famous crispy banh mi sandwich to the rich egg coffee and refreshing mango smoothie. This place is a must visit. Just look at that crusty bread packed with savory fillings. This might be the best banh mi ever. And this egg coffee, so creamy and decadent, like a dessert in a cup. Plus, this mango smoothie is the perfect tropical refresher in Da Nang's heat. Stay tuned as we dive into these delicious treats. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more food adventures. Alright guys, that was a short grab taxi. I think like literally 3 minutes. But here it is. Here's Banh Mi, Banh Mi Cafe. Let's go inside. Ah, very nice. Hello. Hello. What's your most popular banh mi?
We have beef and cheese. Here, this is the last.
Oh, beef and cheese.
Grilled pork.
And then grilled pork. Let me try the grilled pork.
Yes.
And then you have the egg coffee, right?
Yeah, we have egg coffee.
Okay, let me try that.
But you want ice or hot?
Let me try the hot.
Okay.
Yeah.
For here, right?
For here, yes.
One grilled pork and one egg coffee hot.
Okay, so $114,000.
Yeah.
Banh mi? Oh, thank you so much. Alright guys, here we go. So this is the grilled pork banh mi here. It's about 55,000 dong. Is $2.12. So that's a pretty good, affordable meal right there. So I'll show you guys the size. There you go. So this is the grilled pork. I think most of the banh mi's here are not that big actually, but they do grill the bun, which is very crispy. Here we go. The bread is very, very crispy. Good flavor on the grilled pork. And as you can see, the onions, lettuce. For $55,000, which is equivalent to about $2 US. That's pretty good. That's a good deal for a snack. This size would probably cost around $8 to $10 in the US, maybe more in some areas. So, man. The other most popular banh mi that they have is the beef and cheese. So I may have to come back tomorrow and try that one and compare that to this one. But so far this one's pretty good. Wow, thank you. Alright guys, here it is. This is the egg coffee. So this is a hot egg coffee. So basically it's just, you know, a dark roast type of coffee. And then they have egg foam mixed in here. And you can also order this cold as well, but I think the traditional way is just a hot egg coffee. So this is the first time I've ever had this actually. So let's give it a shot. Wow, look at that. It's thick, very thick. Oh, that's good. Oh. I think they added some chocolate on top. Oh, so I'm gonna mix everything together here. So I think you have to spoon feed yourself. I don't think you can drink it from the cup. Oh, that is good coffee. Let me do the conversion. So this is 59,000 dong, this hot traditional egg coffee. That's $2.28. Very strong coffee. I'm probably not gonna drink everything because it's already like almost 7:30, and then I gotta get up early, like at 5 a.m. So I'm not gonna drink everything. Wow. Thank you. Alright guys, so this is the mango shake here. So this is 60,000 dong, which is like $2.50. You can tell they got like chunks of mango on the top. It looks very creamy. Oh, that's very, very sweet. Very sweet. I like the fact that they have chunks of mango on the very top. Alright guys, I almost missed it.